Of all the nerves!
Special news bulletin. Wild King Louis the Lion escaped from the Bungling Brothers Circus.
Louis the Lion escaped?
That's right. He's a killer. Hide, hide! Lock your doors, lock your windows! Hurry!
Hide me, Woodpecker. They're after me. Hear what I said? Hide me. If you don't, this is what you'll get. Now get busy. Hide me.
Yes, sir. Up in the chair, King Louis. I'll hide you with this sheet.
Hurry, make it snappy.
You see a lion around here?
Did I see a lion? Oh, boy, I sure did. He's right under... I didn't see any lions, sir.
Are you sure?
There's nobody here.
What'd you say?
I said there's nobody here. Nobody here but us woodpeckers. Peck, 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 peck.
Okay, Woodpecker. If you see a lion, let me know.
Are they gone yet?
Sit quiet and I'll check. Now's my chance to escape.
Don't try that again, Woodpecker. Now hide me, understand?
Okay, but no more of this and this.
Okay, no more of this. And this. Now hide me.
Yes, sir. Okay, King Louis, this'll hide you. Cold, I'm getting out fast.
Hold it. Special news bulletin. A $1,000 reward has been offered for the capture of King Louis the Lion.
$1,000?
Right, $1,000.
Wowee! I'll hold Louis here and collect the reward.
I've had it. I'm a-getting out of here.
Wait, don't go out there. They got the place surrounded. You'll be recognized.
Huh?
You need a disguise. I'll give you a haircut. Sit down.
Don't take too much off the top.
Leave it to me, Louis. One facial coming up. Now for the disguise, chum. Relax. How about that? How about this? How's this? Perfect. Your own mother won't recognize you.
There you see. There is that ferocious lion.
Here he is, Chief. He's all yours. Hand over the $1,000 reward.
$1,000 for that? You keep him. He's all yours.
Hey, just a minute. Wait. Hey, come back. Come back, Mr. Bungling. Come back here. Oh, come on back. Oh, no, no, no.